Chitungwiza Church of Christ. Hi guys, my name is Adriel Commander, and today I have with me Vakwashe and Aniel Commander. Together we are going to sing Amazing Grace.
Amazing grace, how sweet thy sound, that saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found, was blind, but now I see. Was grace that taught my heart to feel, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. It's grace that brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, with no less steps to sing God's praise than when we first began.
Chitungwiza Church of Christ.
If you have any questions or if you want to come and join us at Chitungwiza Church of Christ, makasununguka kutibata pa number dzinoti 0774 347 122 kana pane dzimwe number dzinoti 0772 859 945. My name is Judith Chia, and I hope you have benefited from this recording.